Uh, Look, guys, we getting talks about the government being back open, right? I've been seeing all these videos. People are excited. The government is opening again, or the bill's being passed to, talk about having the government being open, right? And to me, it's like they are literally playing with people's mental. They are literally playing with people's emotions. So you have to ask yourself, how is this affecting me? Because it's going to affect a lot of people. Like, even though it don't seem like it, it is. Because when I look at what's happening right now with the presidency of the United States, right, it's like a big tug of war. Like, they just playing with people. They just playing with people. Just how they manipulate the markets. They are literally manipulating reality, like, for real. And it's crazy to see, because the most important thing is to be sustainable. You get what I'm saying? Especially what just recently happened with everything with the SNAP benefits, and the healthcare and things of that nature, right? It's really coming down to independence. You have to be independent. You have to learn how to sustain yourself. You have to learn how to be self-sufficient, right? You got to learn how to move around properly. You have to learn these things, because if you are too dependent on the government, on the system, that is going to tell you, or is it like things are going to be revealed to you, like, oh snap, why why am I so dependent on certain things, when in reality you shouldn't be, right? So guys, in this video, just, me, and be planting some seeds, because some people really need to hear what is really going on. Like, do you really believe the government is there for you, or is it there for you to succeed, or just survive? That's a question that you need to ask yourself. Yes, in certain situations you can take advantage of the government and succeed, aka I'll say the stock market, because the stock market and investing and stuff like that, learning how to make your money work for you, or have your money work for itself, really. You get what I'm saying? So, like, little things like that, you can take advantage of, and you need to, because what's coming, we know is coming. It's going to be chaos. It's going to be destruction. It's going to be confusion, right? So you got to know, like, hey, what can I do to use the government as a tool? That's basically what it is. That's basically really what it is. You have to learn how to use things as tools. Just like this phone, right? I'm using it as a tool right now. This is exactly what I was telling my oldest son. He's 14, right? He just got a phone. And don't come for me in the comments like, yes, this is first phone at 14. I know some kids, they be getting phones at what, 9 and stuff like that. That wasn't the case for me. I had to wait until I was what, a freshman in high school to get my first phone. So he just recently got his phone, and I'm starting to see him just, like, do what teenagers do, watch their shows and be on TikTok and stuff like that. And I'm like, look, man, you gotta think about this phone as a tool. I know it's a phone, but it's a tool. You gotta learn how to, make some money with this tool, because it's possible. Start looking up some things where, a 14-year-old can make some money. What can you do to really get that or really use your phone as a tool to make some money? So that's literally what, any and everybody has to do. If you got a phone, like, look, just start recording yourself, start talking, no matter if you don't like to talk. You might as well, because what's happening right now, a lot of things is going to be shut down, and a lot of things are going to be shifting, where it's not going to be the same thing like it was before. So you got to realize, like, every crisis exposes who's prepared and who's dependent. Is that you? Are you dependent on, like, what's going on right now? Like it's really deep, y'all. It's like it's deeper than what we see, because they already know. And when I say they, I'm talking about the government. I'm talking about the people in power, the people that is really never going to be affected by what's happening right now with the government shutdown or the government reopening, right? So you really have to um, know, like, when hard times come, you got to be strong. You got to have that faith. One, you got to believe in the Most High and just know that He's gonna put you in situations, and He's gonna connect you with certain people where you're gonna be good through this famine that is coming, because it's getting cold, right? I just saw a post from one of my workout partners in Columbus, Ohio. It was snowing. I'm like, whoa, dang, it's snowing already. Yeah, I mean, it is November, and it's like, whoa, it's getting cold out there. So here in Mauritius is pretty much warm all year round. So that's a bonus. But I do kind of miss the snow sometimes, just to go jump in for 10 minutes and then be done. But yeah, like, you just got to know, like, how they are starting to really shift things into perspective, where a lot of people are not going to be prepared. And for me, I really believe this government shutdown, or like, they're starting to mold people how the Most High should or how you should be seeking the Most High, right? So just say, for example, just say like somebody that has a job or something like that, and they're pretty good off, or well off. They working and stuff, but they really dependent on that job. They have the money to invest into a business or something like that, right? And that's probably the best thing to do right now, to invest in a business where you are able to make your own money outside of your job, right? Or learn how to invest your money with trading, or investing and stuff like that outside your job. So for example, when just say that job is a government job and you're not getting paid, now you can depend on your business. Now you can go all in on your business, so you can sustain yourself, so you can be self-sufficient, right? So that's like the number one thing that's happening right now, that people have to realize, like, you got to look at this government shutdown as a positive, and it's really going to help people, you know, depend on the Most High. Really going to help people be self reliant, self sufficient. Really be how they really need to be. So it's like, when things go down, you're still going to be good. When things happen, you're still going to be okay. So that it's like, who are you being molded by? That's what it's coming down to. Who are you being molded by? Because you see how the government is pulling you back and forth. Everything's just pulling you back and forth, right? You might as well step out and try to follow your dreams, and really try to invest into something that you never done before. Because what's happening right now, they just gonna leave people broke and just go somewhere else. So it is very, very important right now to be self-sufficient, and you have to learn how to be self-sufficient. You have to learn these tools. You got to use everything as a tool, especially with this age of um, AI and technology and stuff like that. Use it as a tool. Like, really, the wake up call. You really can't. You got to stop waiting for them to fix your life. That's what it is. You can't have the government or them or people in power that just tugging you back and forth to fix your life. Start fixing it right now. Figure out something that will help you be self sufficient, right? Like, really, success begins when you stop expecting rescue and start taking responsibilities. You have to take responsibility. right? Really, like faith without preparation is empty. Faith without preparation is empty. You have to know how to really have that trust when it comes down to, trusting the most high, like really. Because that's what it is you gonna depend on the government and the people in power, or you gonna depend on the most high? That's what it's coming down to. Now you gotta ask yourself this, like really, really, wisdom without action is wasted. And I know we have a lot of people that is wise that watch our videos and stuff. It's a lot of people that is really wise. So take that chance. Step out on faith. Step out on wisdom. Because we see what's going on. 40 days, government shutdown and stuff. And it's still, for me, I don't think it's going to, it might not open back up. They say it's open, but like, you got to think about the people that has not been getting paid at the airport and stuff. It's not just like TSA stuff, because for us, we want to see everybody thrive. We want to see everybody live outside of America sustainable. We want to see people really thrive outside of America because it is possible. So when the I'm talking about the airport because it's very important, because if you can't fly out, what you gonna do? You know, you gonna take a cruise ship somewhere and then don't take it back, something like that. I don't know. Uh, but you got to think about how these people's that the air traffic controllers, they're not getting paid. So that they was just talking about how they're going to slow down, like well, since everybody has not been working and not getting paid, they don't have enough people to control all the air traffic. So they're going to slow down flights, right? They're going to stop a lot of flights, right? And then behind that, the people, the mechanics and the engineers behind that fixes the plane, that checks the plane. Look, I was just explaining this to my wife too when we was on the walk. I was like, okay, like it's crazy how, like, for me, I used to work in a warehouse and I used to handle big equipment and stuff like forklifts and the yeah, just big machines, right? And before every shift, you got to check it. You got to check everything, the lights, just everything. So just imagine them. They have to do that with airplanes too. And now they're saying that a lot of people that was not getting paid, that usually does that, they not going to come to work and do it. So now it's coming down to safety, where it's like, whoa, like, is it even safe to fly now? So all this is really by design. Like really, you got to know all this is by design. So the sooner the better, because if you wait too long, you're not. It's going to be tougher and tougher, and that's what I see is just getting tougher and tougher to really try to leave and be successful out of America. Like really. So this shutdown, it can really take away a lot of people's jobs and everything like that. And although they say it's still open, so I'm not sure if that, like, for me, I just don't believe what they. I just feel like they just tug people back and forth for, like, they say, oh, the government's back open, and then you find out that a lot of things is not open and stuff like that. Um, but yeah, like yeah, it's getting deep, family. It's really getting deep, family. Um, the sooner the better. The sooner the better. It's really important to really do the research. It's really important to really, um, you know, step out on faith, because that's what it just come down to. Like really, like if you been motivated by the government and the people in power, that's not good. You need to be motivated by the Most High, and He's going to lead you into a successful place, a self sustaining place, a self sufficient place, right? He's gonna allow you to eat in this famine that's happening. Like truly, and I tell you that, really, freedom begins when you realize they can't starve what they didn't feed. Don't let them feed you. If you let them feed you, they can starve you. So feed yourself. Learn how to feed yourself. Really, 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 really. Freedom begins when you realize they can't starve what they didn't feed. So whatever it is, don't feed into what they're pushing out. Just make sure that you have the discernment and the wisdom to be, whole, and to be, present with the Most High. So all praises to the Most High. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like the video. Leave your comments below. Let me know where you are tuning in from. Check the links in the description. Mature adult intensive. We have, I want to say, 5 more slots left. So check the links in the description for that, because it's coming up. And I believe this is going to be a very powerful one, because this it's a new year coming up, so we're not going to have another one. We might have another one at the end of December, maybe at the beginning of January, but this might be the last one for the this year. So it's always good to start the new year, however you want to say it, the new year off right. So all praises. Peace and blessings to you and your household, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Shalom, shalom.